Don't turn it over. Yeah. Now take another one and put it right beside it. Okay, and another one.
And another one. One here.
Yeah. Keep going. One more.
One more.
Well, a bunch more, but don't look at it. Yeah. Two more. One and then another one. Okay, now we're going to go down here and put one right here. Which one? Okay, right there. Not like right there. Okay, go get that other one. It's okay. Put it right there. Now we got three more. Put them over there. Okay. 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 Yeah, put that one down there. Okay. Now, I want you to take a card from there and put one underneath every card. Yes, like that. All the way across. Good job.
Under each card.
Yeah.
We don't know. What if we don't get right? This is the half one.
Yeah.
I don't even know.
That's right. Just
And
keep.
this is the half one. I'll try to get that one.
Where's what, baby?
This is all done.
Okay. That's a good job. Now we're going to turn them over, okay? So first turn this over and then turn that over.
Okay. Turn this over.
So that's the Skurs, and they are the fourth pick. Okay, now turn this one over.
Where was this go?
That is Any Given Sunday,
Any given Sunday.
and they are the first pick. Okay, keep going right here. Timasil,
What's a team is
Oh, here you go, Lo.
they are the 10th pick.
Are you recording this?
Yes,
Just in case there's any questions?
right. Big Time Rush is the third pick.
This is a fantasy football draft in here.
Mad Mavs are the 11th pick.
I see.
Who's
yeah.
that
Don't put it on my face.
Eagle Ball is the 12th pick. Lucky for the rookie, 12th pick. Okay. Who's that? Cowboy Up. This is Gigi's team. 6th pick.
Oh, that's
Who's next? That's Papa's team. Give me a little low number. Real low number. 5th pick. All right. Good girl. Who's that? Paul Perry. I can't say that word in front of my granddaughter. 8th pick.
what?
Red Hots.
The other little blue one?
Oh, that's
The 2nd
The
pick.
kitchen.
so that's Gigi.
Yes.
She likes one. Oh,
Come on, let's keep going here. Wombats. They are the 9th pick. And the Hedgehogs are the 7th pick. Okay, now look at me, Lucy, and say, there's your draft.